Hello, my name is Claire Braund, Executive Director and co-founder of Women on Boards. 15 years ago, I chose to challenge the dominance of men in board and leadership roles in Australia. We established Women on Boards, an active, inclusive and agile organisation with the purpose of achieving a 40-40-20 gender balance on boards and across leadership roles. That's 40% women, 40% men and 20% of either and or any other gender. In 15 years, we've made significant progress towards our goal, and the ecosystem we're working in has changed markedly. But there's still work to be done, particularly in the ASX 200 plus group of companies where gender balance remains really low, unacceptably low. So the challenge for all of us in 2021 is to ensure the decision makers in society, those sitting on boards, those sitting in cabinet and government roles, those leading community organisations, are representative of the stakeholders that they serve in order for all of us to be able to address the major challenges of our time. Thank you and happy International Women's Day 2021.